Happy days, look at that. What's happening, people? Right, so today I'm gonna go and pick up some delivery I got a delivery. You know when you get one of these letters, because obviously no one was here when my stuff gets delivered, because no one's ever here when my stuff gets delivered. So yeah, so I'm gonna go drive down to the post office now, pick that up. I'm gonna go and get my haircut because I need a haircut. I've decided to go a bit more smart nowadays. So I'm gonna go and get a haircut, and then I'm gonna go and get whatever's delivered fitted onto my car, and it will make it look sick. Like, I've never done one of these to a car. I mean, my mate Rob, his mate had one done and it looks sick, so I was thinking, you know, it makes it nice and blacked out. But yeah, I'll update you when I get to the Royal Mail place to pick up my delivery. Alright, see you in a bit. Cheers mate, thanks for parking there, no worries. Alright, so I just picked up a parcel. So, don't know if that gives you any clues. There's a new Sunstrip that goes across here. So yeah, I'm just going to call my mate now and going to go and hopefully get this done, but first I need to go and get a haircut. So I just got back from getting my haircut. So I just got back from getting the Sunstrip put on. It's decent. That's in the sun, so you can see. Happy days, look at that. So yeah, and also my number plates have just arrived, so I'm just going to go and have a look at them. Yeah, so here's the number plates here. For the plates, they've got like a 3D sort of style, and the ones are curved to make it look like an O. There we go.